I think we probably disagree on this a little bit, respectfully. Again, from a business perspective, you from an attorney perspective, and I guess it depends on what you see more of, right? I tend to see more, probably my business skews more middle income, and I would imagine trusts and estate planning tends to skew more upper income because you have more assets to be worried about. But to me, it seems that you're better off with a bad trust than no trust about 90% of the time. At least get something. Now,
Mhm.
clearly, 10% of the time there's a mess, and I see that litigated in court, both attorney prepared and LegalZoom prepared trust. But it seems to me better for most people, if you have a simple situation, at least have something than not do anything. True or not true?
I,
Or
I,
make
I
your
would
case.
say, I would say, yeah, but there's a risk of it being way more expensive, right?
Right.
So um, you're rolling the dice at the end of the day. And yes, I'm coming from an attorney perspective that has been to court, been to trial over uh, literal changes in trust, whether sometimes they're handwritten, sometimes they're done on the deathbed, sometimes they are done under some sort of fraudulent circumstances. And what we need to do now is go and depose everybody, and you have a bunch of lawyer fees. And at the end of the day, you're reducing the inheritance for the people that are getting the money. So I don't know. If it was done right, you wouldn't have had to gone through that. So that's the way I see it. And I think that it's an important point, and you might not be seeing it as much because, I mean, maybe you're not part of those cases, but I do
Right.
see them, and they're very prevalent.
Well, I'm not looking for them. I mean, to be honest, right? I'm looking for the probate cases with litigation. I'm not looking for the trust. The trust cases get litigated, but I don't see. I'm not searching them out as much from a data point of view. So that's why I don't see that. I know my perspective is a little skewed, but I feel like there's no excuse not to get started. And I always feel like if you have a bad trust, get it done, then take it to an attorney and rewrite it. But at least now you have your names out, you have the data going. But you got to get into action and get something done to protect yourself. I think at the end of the day, we both agree. I think agree on that.